हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनिगन। मेरे चैनल ओमनिगन में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो फ्रॉम द प्रोज सेक्शन ऑफ क्लास 12 द बुक फ्लैमिंगो, दिस इज द लास्ट लेसन. The rest of the lessons I have already explained, okay? Even from the poetry section also, all the lessons from the book Flamingo has been explained, and this is the last lesson, Going Places by A.R. Barton, okay? ये लास्ट लेसन है जो मैं कंप्लीट करने वाला हूँ। उसके बाद क्लास 12 फ्लैमिंगो बुक से ऑल द लेसन्स विल बी कंप्लीटेड। ठीक है, तो आप लोगों ने अगर मेरा बाकी एक्सप्लेनेशंस नहीं देखा है, इफ इन केस यू हैव नॉट वॉच्ड द रेस्ट ऑफ द एक्सप्लेनेशंस, ओके, from the book Flamingo, please go check my playlist Class 12 English. You will find all the explanations, prose and poetry from there, okay? Now my next target will be to explain from the book Vistas. ठीक है, तो let's start with Going Places, explanation of Going Places written by A.R. Barton, okay, from the book Flamingo, and it is in the book of class 12 MBOS, both MBOS and CBSE, and as usual I am going to make your full explanation, okay? मैं paragraph by paragraph एक explanation देने वाला हूँ, okay, touching the important points only. And I would like all of you, I will request all of you to keep the book in front of you so that when I'm explaining you can match the lines and read the text also, okay? Okay, so without any delay, let us start the explanation. So let us see the introduction. Okay, what is the story all about? The story is about a teenage girl named Sophie who often dreams and imagines unrealistic things. Okay, so this story is about a teenage girl. The name of the girl is Sophie. And this girl, Sophie, often dreams and imagines unrealistic things. Things which are not real in life. Okay, we can say she does daydreaming most of the time, and this is one of the features in adolescence. Okay, teenagers में ये बहुत ज़्यादा ये daydreaming. Okay, so like every teenager, Sophie is also something, somebody who dreams and imagines things which are not realistic. ठीक है, she lives in a fantasy world. Okay, now you see, I know that there are many teenagers who are watching this video, and maybe you will feel that हम लोग तो इतना डे ड्रीमिंग नहीं करते. एक्चुअली सोफीज डे ड्रीमिंग इज टू मच. ओके, सोफी का जो डे ड्रीमिंग है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड एज यू गो थ्रू द स्टोरी यू विल लर्न हाउ इट इज़ एक्चुअली यू सी बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर ड्रीमिंग वो करती है, और इससे बाद में उसे ट्रबल भी होता है. Anyway, she has big dreams and hopes for her future, but most of them are unrealistic. So you see, she has big dreams, okay, and she has big hopes for her future, but most of the dreams, most of the hopes are actually unrealistic. Say for example, if I belong to a middle class family, I am a teenager, okay, and I belong to a middle class family and I want to buy a Lamborghini for me. This is an unrealistic dream. ये बिल्कुल एक unrealistic dream है जो मुझे नहीं देखना चाहिए. ठीक है, first of all we must try to fulfill the necessary things, only then we can go for big dreams. Okay, anyways, let's continue. Okay, Sophie shares her imaginary stories with her brother Geoff. तो सोफी जो है ये इमेजिनरी स्टोरीज अपने ब्रदर के साथ शेयर करती है. ब्रदर का नाम है जियोफ. ठीक है, वन ऑफ द स्टोरीज और लाइज, एक्चुअली स्टोरीज मतलब लाइज, झूठ. ठीक है, वन ऑफ द स्टोरीज दैट शी टेल्स इज अबाउट मीटिंग अ फेमस फुटबॉल प्लेयर डैनी कैसी. तो एक बहुत बड़ा झूठ सोफी बोलती है अपने भाई से. अ वेरी बिग लाई, Sophie tells her brother is that, I met a football player today, the famous football player Danny Casey today. And you see, it is not clear in the story whether her brother Geoff believes her story or not, but the story is an absolute lie. She imagines some, seeds actually, that I have met a famous footballer. The footballer has called me in the restaurant. These are all lies actually. ये सारा झूठ है जो सोफी बनाती है actually. She makes up this story and shares it with her brother. Now, ये स्टोरी हमें क्या दिखाता है? The story shows how teenagers sometimes live in dreams and fantasies. तो ये कहानी हमें यही बताएगा कि teenagers कभी-कभी over day dreaming करते हैं. They do over day dreamings and they live in a fantasy world. वो एक fantasy world में रहते हैं, unreal world में रहते हैं. They live in an unreal world. Okay. So now let us learn the full explanation of the story, and at the end of the story I have given an analysis also, which will be very beneficial for writing questions and answers in your exams. Okay, तो full explanation इसका देखते हैं हम लोग. तो Sophie and Jancy are school friends, okay, and they're walking home after school. तो Sophie और Jancy जो है वो school friends है, and they're coming home. Their school got over, उनका school छुट्टी हो गया और वो लोग घर पे आ रहे हैं. They're coming home after the school is over. Here Sophie shares her dream of opening a boutique. Boutique आपको पता होगा, okay? तो Sophie shares her dream of opening a boutique and becoming a famous fashion designer like Mary Quant. तो सोफी अपने दोस्त जैंसी को ये बताता है, सोफी shares with Jancy that I'm planning to open a boutique and become a very famous fashion designer like Mary Quant. ठीक है. Now Jancy is practical. See, Jancy is also a teenage girl, but she's very practical. She does not live in the unrealistic world. Okay. So Jancy is practical and reminds Sophie that they are likely to work in a biscuit factory after school. तो जैंसी ये बोलती है कि देखो सोफी, द ड्रीम दैट यू हैव सीन एक्चुअली ऑफ ओपनिंग अ बुटीक and becoming as famous as Marie Quant is actually very unrealistic, impractical. Because you see, maximum after school we can work in a factory, बिस्किट फैक्ट्री. कि स्कूल के बाद जो है मैक्सिमम हमें किसी बिस्किट फैक्ट्री में काम मिल सकता है, लेकिन इतना बड़ा सपना, क्योंकि the money that would require, see Jancy also tells Sophie that starting a boutique needs a lot of money which they don't have. So they are from middle class family, lower middle class family. Jancy is telling that, see Sophie, we are from lower middle class family, we don't have so much money to open a boutique. Opening a boutique requires a lot of investment. बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे की ज़रूरत है अगर हम कोई बुटीक खोलना चाहे तो. योर ड्रीम इज़ वेरी अनरियलिस्टिक. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हैं, ऐसे ड्रीम जो है बिल्कुल अनरियलिस्टिक है. वी कैन मैक्सिमम वर्क इन अ बिस्किट फैक्ट्री आफ्टर स्कूल. स्कूल के बाद हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा किसी बिस्किट फैक्ट्री में काम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन प्लीज़ डू नॉट ड्रीम अबाउट ओपनिंग अ बुटीक बिकॉज योर ड्रीम इज़ अनरियलिस्टिक. ठीक है, तुम्हारा ड्रीम जो है वो अनरियलिस्टिक है. Now, Sophie thinks of working in a shop to save money, but Jancy says the pay is too low. So Sophie says that no, I will work in a shop then and save some money to open a boutique. But Jancy says, see, how much salary will you get in that shop? All right, so the salary is very low. So it will take, you will become old. You will become old. Still, then you will not be able to save so much money to open a boutique. So leave this unrealistic dream or keep this unrealistic dream aside. ये जो तुम्हारा अनरियलिस्टिक ड्रीम है, जो तुम देख रहे हो बुटीक खोलने का, इसे तुम साइड में रख दो. ये कभी नहीं होने वाला है, क्योंकि अगर तुम किसी दुकान में काम करके पैसा जमा भी कर दो, सेव भी कर दो, तब भी तुमसे ये नहीं होगा. उतना पैसा तुम कलेक्ट नहीं कर पाओगे, उतना पैसा तुम सेव नहीं कर पाओगे that you can open a boutique because salary will be too low in that shop. So please leave the idea of opening a boutique. तो सोफी देन नेक्स्ट, सोफी ने कहा ठीक है बुटीक का आइडिया कैंसिल है. सोफी ऑल्सो कंसिडर्स बिकमिंग एन एक्ट्रेस एज इट पेज मोर मनी. तो सोफी ये बोलते नहीं नहीं, मैं तो बुटीक खोलूंगी, आई विल ओपन अ बुटीक सो आई कैन बिकम एन एक्ट्रेस, इट विल पे मोर मनी टू मी. राइट, सो दिस इज अगेन एन अनरियलिस्टिक ड्रीम दैट चलो मैं बुटीक नहीं खोल पाऊंगी इफ आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू ओपन अ बुटीक, आई कैन बिकम एन एक्ट्रेस. Okay, and after I become an actress, I'll get a huge amount of money for my acting. ठीक है, तो these are the unrealistic dreams that Sophie actually sees. Okay. Anyways, at home, Sophie's younger brother Derek makes fun of her unrealistic dreams. So घर पे भी सोफी का बहुत मजाक उड़ाया जाता है. At home also, Sophie has become an object of fun because her brother Derek makes fun of her unrealistic dreams. बहुत बार घर पे जो है डेरिक भी ये कहता है, बिकॉज सोफी वुड बी डिस्कसिंग दीज थिंग्स एट होम ऑल्सो एंड हर ब्रदर डेरिक ऑफन मेक्स फन ऑफ हर. ठीक, तुम क्या सपने देखती हो, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ड्रीम्स यू सी, दीज आर कंप्लीटली अनरियलिस्टिक ड्रीम्स. कम ऑन, come to the real world and see the real life, see the real world for yourself. Okay, don't have unrealistic dreams. Now, Sophie looks at her mother's tired and bent back and feels sad about her family's poverty. Now, see, Sophie's family is not very rich. Okay, they always have some financial problems in the family. So Sophie often feels bad when he looks at her mother, looking very tired, and her mother's back was bent actually. Okay, and she feels very sad about this. Sophie's elder brother, okay, Geoff is a mechanic apprentice who travels far for work and doesn't talk much. तो सोफी का एक बड़ा भाई भी है. Sophie also has an elder brother. His name is Geoff. Okay, and he's a mechanic apprentice. Apprentice मतलब assistant type. Okay, he's a mechanic apprentice मतलब किसी और मैकेनिक के अंडर में काम करना as a trainee. ठीक है. and he often has to travel far for work and doesn't talk too much. So कभी कभी उसको बहुत दूर जाके काम करना पड़ता है और वो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता है. He does not talk much. Now, Sophie admires Geoff, but at the same time, she envies Geoff's silence also, and thinking he knows about exciting places she has never seen. See, Geoff often has to go to far off places for his work purpose. Okay, he's a mechanic apprentice. Okay, so Sophie admires Geoff because most of the time he remains silent. So वो silently काम करता है. Geoff's habit is that he would work very silently. He never talks much. Okay, so Sophie admires this ability and envies Geoff also. She's jealous of Geoff also because Geoff has to travel far. So Geoff has seen many exciting places. Geoff ने बहुत सारा जगह देखा भी है. Okay, so Sophie admires this traveling thing in Geoff. Sophie जो है ये traveling चीज को लेके Geoff से थोड़ा सा jealous है वो. ठीक है. She tells Geoff that she met football star Danny Casey at the arcade. अब यहाँ पे आके एक झूठ सोफी बोलती है उसके भाई से. Sophie tells a lie to her brother about, and this is a very dangerous lie. Okay, she tells Geoff, her elder brother, that you see, brother, I met the famous football star Danny Casey at the arcade. कि आज मैं वो जो फेमस फुटबॉल स्टार है डैनी कैसी से आज मैं मिला हूँ. आप सोचिए एक चीज़, जस्ट इमेजिन स्टूडेंट्स, टुमारो इफ आई कम टू दिस यूट्यूब चैनल एंड से टुडे आई मेट रोनाल्डो, टुडे आई मेट मेसी, अरे मेसी एंड आई वी हैड टी टुगेदर. सो ये तो फेंकना होता है, बड़ा बड़ा फेंकना. ओके, these are all stories. So Sophie's like that only. Sophie is telling a big lie to her brother. Okay, now Geoff does not believe her, so Sophie gives imaginary details to make her story sound real. Obviously किसको यकीन होगा? आपको भी यकीन नहीं होगा. If I tell today I met Messi, today I met Ronaldo, and we both had tea, we both had coffee together, we had lunch together, and then you don't believe me, and so I go on giving you more details to make the story believable. So when Geoff does not believe Sophie gives imaginary details कि मैं उस जगह मिला, इस जगह मिला, यहाँ मिला, here I met, there I met, we talked together. Okay, and she made her story sound real. Up here the point is that whether Geoff believed or not, this is not clear. Okay, anyways, now Geoff later tells their father about Sophie meeting Danny Casey. तो Geoff जाता है उसके पिता के पास. तो Geoff goes to their father and tells that Sophie told me that he met Danny Casey, the famous footballer, today. Now father became very angry. तो their father looked at her angrily and doesn't believe the story. तो पिताजी को बहुत गुस्सा आया. इतना बड़ा झूठ, such a big lie you are telling Sophie. Father became very angry and he did not believe in Sophie's story at all. उसने सोफी की कहानी में बिल्कुल यकीन बिलीव नहीं किया. Now Geoff and father start talking about football and Sophie interrupts saying Danny wants to buy a shop. अब Geoff and father, they started discussing about football. And Sophie interrupted them. Sophie बीच में घुस गई. बेटा और बाप दोनों मिलके बात कर रहे हैं और सोफी बीच में घुस गई क्योंकि फुटबॉल के टॉपिक के ऊपर बात हो रहा है. दे आर टॉकिंग ऑन फुटबॉल. सो सोफी इंटरप्टेड एंड after interrupting, Sophie again went on to tell the lie that you see, dad, Danny wants to buy a shop. ये तो बहुत बड़ा झूठ है. अरे वो डैनी से मिली ही नहीं. She never met Danny. Danny is a famous footballer. Ronaldo, Messi, these are famous footballer. Tomorrow if I come and tell, अरे you see I met Ronaldo, actually he wants to do an investment here. Will you believe me? So in the same manner, you see again, Danny wants to buy a shop. Sophie tells her father. Now her father becomes very angry now. For the second time, father becomes very angry and warns her not to lie or she could get into trouble. तो father जो है वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गया अभी. Father became very angry and father warned Sophie that Sophie, don't tell lie or one day you will get into some big trouble if you keep on telling lies after lies about meeting this famous footballer. Anyways, but Sophie does not mend her habit. Sophie अपनी हरकतों से बाज नहीं आती है. Sophie makes her brother promise not to tell anyone that Danny Casey has asked to meet her. अब Sophie जाता है अपने भाई के पास. Sophie goes to her elder brother, Geoff, and tells her brother, I want to tell you something, but you should promise me that you will not tell anyone. So Danny Casey says, what is it that you want to tell me? So Sophie says that You see, brother, actually, Danny Cassie has asked to meet me. So Danny Cassie has requested me to meet him. ठीक है. अब ये बात सुन के Joff, her brother, finds it very hard to believe. बोलता है, what are you telling? You're telling lie again. अरे, last time you said that you met Danny. Then you said that Danny wants to buy a shop. Now you're telling that Danny has asked you for a meeting. Now Sophie explains how she met Danny and asked for an autograph. अब you see that Sophie again went on to tell this lie that no, I actually met Danny, but daddy is not believing me, father is not believing me. मैं तो डैनी से मिलके आया हूँ और मैंने डैनी से ऑटोग्राफ भी मांगा है. I have asked for an autograph also from Danny. All right. Now they did not have a pen or paper. तो डैनी, Joff ने पूछा होगा. Joff would have asked Sophie that where is the autograph. So now you see again she's going on telling, she continues her lie that you see at that time I did not have a pen or a paper. So Danny said that he would meet her next week to give the autograph. देखिए कितना बड़ा झूठ है. झूठ के ऊपर झूठ, झूठ के ऊपर झूठ. Okay. So the excuse this time that Sophie gives is that when Joff asks, where is the autograph? So Sophie says that you see at that time I also did not have pen or paper. Danny also did not have pen or paper. So in order to give the autograph, Danny has told me that he would meet me next week to give me the autograph. वो मुझे अगले हफ्ते मिलेगा और मुझे ऑटोग्राफ देगा क्योंकि उस दिन पेन और पेपर नहीं था हमारे पास. अब Joff, you see, Sophie's brother does not believe that the famous footballer would actually meet her. अब अभी भी जो है Joff को ये यकीन नहीं हो रहा है. He is not able to believe that this famous footballer Danny Cassie would actually meet Sophie, his sister actually, okay, Joff's sister Sophie, to give her autograph. Such a famous footballer would meet her personally to only give autograph. ये तो बात बिलीव करने लायक बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. ठीक है. तो Sophie goes with her family to watch Danny play in a football match and his team wins. अब ये तो पॉसिबल हो सकता है, आप टिकट लेके किसी भी स्टेडियम में जाके फुटबॉल मैच देख सकते हैं. So Sophie goes with her family to watch Danny. There was a football match going on where Danny was there with his team playing football and Danny's team wins. ठीक है. और सोफी उसके फैमिली के साथ स्टेडियम में वो मैच देखने जाती है. एंड सोफी फील्स वेरी प्राउड वाचिंग डैनी प्ले. तो ऑब्वियसली वी ऑल हैव आवर फेवरेट फुटबॉलर्स, वी ऑल हैव आवर फेवरेट क्रिकेटर्स. ओके. तो व्हेनेवर देयर इज एनी मैच गोइंग ऑन नियर बाई, अगर गुवाहाटी में होता है मैच तो हम लोग मेघालय से जाके टिकट लेके हम लोग ऑनलाइन वी गो टू वॉच एट द क्रिकेट स्टेडियम टू वॉच आवर फेवरेट प्लेयर्स प्ले क्रिकेट. तो ये तो हो ही सकता है. इट्स नो प्रॉब्लम अबाउट दैट. So anyway, Sophie, जब डैनी मैच जीतता है, डैनी and his team, when they win the match, football match, Sophie feels very proud because she is an admirer of Danny, but she has never met Danny at all. उसने कभी डैनी से कभी भी बात नहीं किया है. ये तो सच है. This is the biggest truth. Anyways, the next week, Sophie's friend Jancy asks her about the meeting with Danny, which surprises Sophie. अब ये बात देखिए, जैंसी को ये बात बिल्कुल पता नहीं है दैट सोफी हैज टोल्ड दिस लाई अबाउट मीटिंग विद डैनी. शी हैड ओनली टोल्ड दिस थिंग टू हुम, टू हिज ब्रदर जॉफ. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट वीक क्या होता है, सोफीज फ्रेंड, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, ओके, जैंसी आस्क सोफी दैट अरे आई हर्ड दैट यू हैव मेट डैनी, इज इट ट्रू? नाउ दिस सरप्राइजेस सोफी. अरे आई डिड नॉट टेल जैंसी एनीथिंग, आई ओनली शेयर्ड विथ माय ब्रदर जॉफ. तो तुमको कैसे पता? हाउ डू यू नो जैंसी? So then Sophie finds out that actually Joff had told Frank, Jancy's brother, about the meeting. तो Jancy का जो ब्रदर है फ्रैंक, तो जॉफ और फ्रैंक दोनों दोस्त थे. जॉफ एंड फ्रैंक, दे आर फ्रेंड्स. ओके. तो जॉफ हैड शेयर्ड दिस न्यूज विथ फ्रैंक एंड फ्रैंक इज जैंसीज ब्रदर. तो फ्रैंक टोल्ड जैंसी दैट अरे सोफी जो है जॉफ का बहन, वो तो वो फुटबॉलर जो है डैनी कैसे उसके साथ मिला है या मीटिंग होने वाला है उसका. तो however, Joff did not tell Frank about the second meeting planned with Danny. तो ये जो second meeting होने वाला है to get the autograph. Okay, students please do not confuse. Okay, सोफी ने जॉफ को क्या बताया that day we did not have pen or paper, that is why Danny could not give me the autograph. This second meeting जो है, about this Joff did not tell Frank anything. Joff only told about her first meeting with Danny. जब फर्स्ट टाइम सोफी ने कहा था दैट आई हैव मेट डैनी एंड शी गेव ऑल द एब्सर्ड डिटेल्स ऑफ द प्लेसेस, लोकेशंस. ओके. बट सेकेंड मीटिंग के बारे में, ऑटोग्राफ लेने वाला जो मीटिंग है उसके बारे में जॉफ ने फ्रैंक को कुछ भी नहीं बताया. जॉफ डिड नॉट टेल एनीथिंग टू फ्रैंक अबाउट द सेकेंड मीटिंग. ओके, दैट वाज प्लान विद डैनी. एनीवेज, सोफी गोज टू द कैनल. तो एक कैनल है, एक तालाब है बहुत बड़ा. देयर इज अ बिग कैनल. ओके, एक तालाब है बहुत बड़ा. तो सोफी गोज टू द कैनल. एक्चुअली इट इज अ प्लेस फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड. उसका एक चाइल्डहुड प्लेस है टू मीट डैनी. एक्चुअली दीज आर ऑल एब्सर्ड. यू सी, डैनी इज, देयर इज नो कम्युनिकेशन दैट सोफी हैज विद डैनी. डैनी के साथ सोफी का ना तो कोई बात होता है ना तो कुछ होता है. यू नो, शी, इतना झूठ वो बोलती है. सोफी टेल्स दिस लाई सो मच एंड शी इज सच अ बिग फैन ऑफ डैनी दैट शी हैज स्टार्टेड इमेजिनिंग दैट डैनी विल कम विथ मी, डैनी विल मीट मी. ओके, डैनी मुझसे मीट करने के लिए आ रहा है कैनल के पास. ये सारा जो है एक इमेजिनेशन है दैट इज गोइंग ऑन इन सोफीज माइंड. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू वॉच्ड मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस. देयर इज अ टर्म यूज, नो, केमिकल लोचा जो होता है वो, जो हीरो होता है वो महात्मा गांधी को देखता है एक्चुअली. इज इट ट्रू? नो, इट इज नॉट ट्रू. इट इज अ केमिकल लोचा. So in the same manner, Sophie is also having this chemical locha in her mind. Okay, so she actually goes to the canal and she imagines that Danny will come here to meet me. Okay, she imagines how the meeting will go, but Danny never shows up. Obviously, she did not have any communication with Danny. How will Danny show up? It is just her imagination. Okay, so she imagines everything, that how the meeting will go, but Danny वहाँ पे आता ही नहीं है. तो Sophie feels sad and worried that no one will believe her now. Okay, नाउ सोफी जो है वो बहुत, उसको बुरा लगता, बुरा लगता है उसको. सोफी को बहुत बैड फील होता है. ओके, सोफी फील्स वेरी बैड एंड सैड and she is worried at the same time that now no one will believe me. I told everyone that I had met Danny, and in my second meeting Danny is going to give me autograph. Now who will believe me? अगर डैनी आ जाता तो मैं उससे ऑटोग्राफ भी लेता और सबको दिखाता वो ऑटोग्राफ. then everyone would have believed me. Alright, anyways, Danny does not come. Now, Sophie, she is relieved to see her father's cycle outside the pub, so she won't have to face him yet. Okay, so Sophie actually uh, अपने फादर के साइकिल को, एक पब है उसके बाहर, उसका फादर का जो साइकिल है वो पार्क्ड है. ओके, हर फादर साइकिल इज पार्क्ड आउटसाइड अ पब. So Sophie is relieved that I will just pass away because father is inside and father will not see me, and I don't have to face father, because if father asks me then I will have to tell him that Danny did not come. Again, you see, father will laugh at me. पिताजी मुझ पे हंसेगा कि तुम तो ऑटोग्राफ लेने के लिए गए थे, तो कहाँ है ऑटोग्राफ, तो तुमने झूठ बोला, you again told lie. So all these things she will have to hear again. So that is why she is relieved that at least father is inside. I will just pass away. मैं बस पास करके चली जाऊंगी. Now while walking back home, she imagines seeing Danny and talking to him. Again she is imagining. Okay, she imagines this time that she actually saw Danny and she is talking to him. And she fantasizes about his height, looks, and how he behaves shyly and innocently. ये सारा जो fantasy है सोफी के माइंड में चल रहा है. All these fantasies are going on in Sophie's mind. ठीक है, एक बार और समझते हैं इस चीज को. Let us try to understand this thing again. Okay, she's walking back home. She was expecting Danny to come, but Danny does not come. How will Danny come? She has never met Danny. Danny has never promised her to give any autograph. It is just her imagination. Okay, anyways, while she's coming back, she imagines that she actually saw Danny and she's talking to Danny. These are all imagination. She also goes on to fantasize about his height, his looks, how he behaves shyly and innocently. These are all going on inside the mind of Sophie. Nothing is real actually. Then the next Saturday, she sees Danny again in a football match where he plays brilliantly. तो next Saturday को एक और football match होता है. Okay, this is real. Next Saturday there is another football match and she sees Danny again in that football match. And here also, Danny plays brilliantly and the team wins again. Okay, तो यहाँ पे कहानी खत्म हो जाता है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे कहानी इसलिए खत्म होता है क्योंकि देयर इज नो यूज एक्सटेंडिंग द स्टोरी मोर, क्योंकि दिस इमेजिनेशन फ्रॉम सोफीज माइंड विल नेवर गो आउट. ये जो इमेजिनेशन सोफी के माइंड में चल रहा है ये कभी बाहर नहीं जाएगा, ये उसके अंदर ही रहेगी ये चीज. तो इट इज नो यूज एक्सटेंडिंग द स्टोरी फर्दर. तो कहानी से हमें क्या मैसेज मिलता है? व्हाट इज द एनालिसिस ऑफ द स्टोरी? See, the story introduces the mindset of teenagers during adolescence. ये जो teenage period है, this teenage period, this adolescence period actually, the story tells us about the mindset, what is going on in the mind of teenagers when they're adolescents. Okay, Sophie, who is the main character created by A.R. Barton, is very hopeful and full of dreams. So she is full of dreams and she is very hopeful. Okay, full of dreams in the sense that she dreams of unrealistic things, she hopes about unrealistic things. Now, she imagines and lives in a fantasy world that is not real. Obviously, she goes on to fantasize about meeting a famous football player called Danny, but she has never met. She even goes on to imagine, okay, Michael Loche, okay, imagine that Danny has called her to give her autograph personally. That is also also an absolute lie. It is not real, okay. So she lives in a fantasy world, okay. Chemical Locha हो गए उसके mind में. So both Sophie and Jancy come from lower middle class families. So Sophie और उसकी दोस्त जो है Jancy, they both come from lower middle class families where money is very limited. जहाँ पैसा बहुत limited है. Okay, but Jancy is a very practical girl. Okay, Jancy is a practical girl. Jancy is not like Sophie. Sophie refuses to accept reality and continues to dream big. Though her father warned Sophie that Sophie, do not tell lies. I'm warning you, don't tell lies, otherwise in future you will fall into some big trouble. But she refuses to accept the reality and continues to dream big. Open a boutique, become an actress, meeting Danny, all these faltu dreams she's having, okay, that will never be, turn into reality. She believed that her favorite footballer, Danny Gassi, promised to meet her. This is all her imagination. Chemical Locha, that a famous footballer has promised to meet her. It's nothing like that. And in the end, she realizes that Danny Gassi will not come in. It was all just her imagination. So, in the end, actually, I told you, in the end, actually, what happens is that it is no use extending the story because somewhere inside Sophie, she also has this feeling that I have told lies. Okay, all my meeting with Danny Cassie is all imaginary. So he is not going to meet me. He will never be meeting me even in future also. It was just my imagination. Okay, so the story shows how dreaming without understanding reality can lead to disappointment. तो आप अगर ऐसा कोई सपना देखते हैं जो सपना कभी सच हो ही नहीं सकता, ऐसे सपना देखना आपको बंद करना होगा. If you feel that dreaming something that will never turn into reality, should be stopped immediately. Should be stopped immediately. If I dream of buying a Lamborghini, I should stop that dream immediately. Immediately, because I will never be able to buy a Lamborghini with the monthly income that I have. ये कभी नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ड्रीम्स आप देखें ही मत जो सच नहीं हो सकता. बिकॉज लेटर इट विल लीड टू डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. लेटर वो ये आपको बहुत डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, बहुत दुख देगा. आप शायद एक मेंटल स्ट्रेस में भी चले जाए. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ ongoing places. ओके, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी था. आपको स्टोरी कैसा लगा? हाउ डिड यू लाइक द स्टोरी? प्लीज कमेंट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय न्यू चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान शॉर्ट्स. मैं वहाँ पे बहुत फैंटास्टिक वीडियोस दे रहा हूँ. कुछ वीडियोस के क्लिप्स, आप फोटोज आप यहाँ पे भी देख सकते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो. प्लीज subscribe to the channel and watch the videos. Very interesting videos I'm uploading, okay, and all the trending things and very informative things I'm uploading, okay, which will be important for you in a way and entertaining also in a way. Okay, तो आप अभी जाइए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाइए and check out the link there and please subscribe to this new channel Omni Gyan Shorts. Okay, so with that I would like to request you to subscribe to this channel first, especially all the class 9 to 12 MBOS and CBSE students, and please like after watching the video. Please share my video links with your friends so that they can also subscribe and get maximum benefit out of it. You can scan these codes. Okay, please follow me on Instagram and this is my website. I'll start giving you all the notes. Okay, all the links, important links are given in the description box also. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. With love from Omni Gyan and all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.